Up next is Act 46 in the Star Division, seniors ages 16 to 19. Performing a Broadway ballad, vocal solo, please welcome to the stage What Baking Can Do.
Make it work, make it easy, make it clever and craft it into pieces. Make it sweet, crimp the edges, we'll make it sour, serve with lemon wedges. Even doubt can be delicious as it washes off of all the dirty dishes. When it's done, I can smile. It's on someone else's plate for a while. I'll place it on display, and then I'll slice and serve my worries away. I can fix this, I can twist it into sugar butter-covered pieces. Never mind what's underneath it, I have done it before. I'll bake me a door to help me get through. I learned that from you, Mama. It's amazing what baking can do. Make it up and surprise them. Tell them all my secrets, but disguise them so they dance on the tongues of the very people that their secrets from. Make it soon, make it better, though better never lasts forever. I'll make it small so it fits. Even this, even now, even as the walls come tumbling down, even as I can't stop remembering now, every door we ever made, we never once walked out. Something I never got the chance to ask her about. So with flour on my hand, I'll show them